channel. In today's video I'm gonna do a Shein haul video for all of you guys. The weather is not permitting and I know for a perfect outfit video you need proper sunlight, but that's not going to stop me from showing you guys whatever that I bought today. This is a parcel, you guys. I got this like quite a while ago, but I was meaning to do this video for a very long time, couple of weeks now. So those of you who do not know, Shein is actually a retail clothing brand. This is not sponsored, by the way. I bought all of this with my money, you guys. So I think Shein came more into popularity during COVID-19, and ever since then everyone and everywhere is like Shein, 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 Shein. Without talking too much, you guys, let's go ahead and open this up. Actually a rubber based, you guys. It looks very nice and trendy. So these are the two stuff. Oh my god, this is absolutely beautiful, you guys. I love this kind of, I don't know if you guys can even see. I like it, you guys. The moment I put like a belt or something, it's gonna look very beautiful. So you guys, I absolutely love this. My brother is right here, you guys. So what do you think? How do you rate me? 1 to 10? What's that? 10? I'm gonna go and get changed, you guys. This is my next outfit, but I think it's a little see-through somehow. Yeah, I'm just gonna put it on and you guys can have a look at it. It's a very beautiful color. Blue is actually my color, you guys, but then it's kind of like a see-through type of a dress, t-shirt, tops. I'm gonna get changed. I'm gonna show you guys. I think I must have taken the wrong size or something. Like, it's actually very deep. What I can do with this is I can actually style it with another outfit on top of this. Then I think it's gonna look good. But other than that, I'm not just gonna wear this and just go outside. I think I made a bad choice with this one, but the color is extremely beautiful, super beautiful. So the next thing is, you guys, I am gonna go ahead and change to this one. Okay, you guys, this material is very nice, but this is also somehow of a see-through. I can't really find any of my tube right now to like put it on and show you guys from far, but as you guys can see, it is an absolutely beautiful piece. Just gonna go ahead and try this outfit. This is known to be like the Barbie-con dopamine kind of outfit, it seems. So the color is pink, and apparently this is actually like a fast selling on Shein. So I want to see how it looks like. I'm not really a pink person, but I'm just gonna go ahead and try this on. So let's go on and put this. This is my outfit, you guys. It's actually a very pretty outfit. Okay, so this is my outfit, you guys. This is actually very pretty, my kind of style. Let me show you guys how it looks from below. Overall, I really like this. Let's go ahead and open up this here. Oh yeah, I remember buying this. Okay, this is so cute, you guys. This is actually like a very nice turtleneck kind of body con dress, but it has a little bit of this cute fur over here. I really like. I'm gonna list all of the names. I don't have it in my mind right now, but I'm gonna list all of the name in the info box. You guys can go ahead and check it out if you like it. Let's go ahead and wear this. It looks so pretty. I think I'll wear my jeans alongside with this and see how it looks like. So let's go ahead and style this. Alright, you guys, this is so pretty. Look at this. It's such a chic and feminine kind of outfit. Perfect if you guys want to go for like a tea break with your girlfriend or just a night party out with your girlfriend. This is actually a very pretty dress. Oh my god. Okay guys, this is such a beautiful blouse, I have to say. Like, a beautiful top altogether. It's such a pretty one. Like, I think it's perfect for you guys to like go out and have a night out with your girlfriends or go out for a date night. It's very simple yet very casual, and also has a touch of femininity towards it, and I really love it. It is so gorgeous, you guys. Okay, so next up, I'm just gonna go ahead and wear this. I know that this is actually a short sleeve top as well. This is because I intentionally bought it like this, because I want to wear this on my just wear a coat on top of it. It's actually very stylish, so I'm just gonna go ahead and wear this, and I'm gonna show you guys in a bit. I just bought it because I think like I'm running out of pajamas, you guys. So this is such a pretty one. So let's go ahead and wear this. This is such a stunning piece, you guys. Look at this. Oh wow, beautiful. Okay, you guys, so this is another outfit which has this fur thing going on. I don't know what's wrong with me, but I actually bought two of it. But this is different. This is not turtleneck. This is more like a U-shaped kind of neck. So I think I'm just gonna go ahead and try it on, and I'm gonna show you guys in a bit. I feel like an angel in this outfit, you guys, with this entire fur and all of this thing. Looks super beautiful. It's actually a very basic kind of outfit, as you guys can see. Very nice. This is actually okay. Okay, 3 more to go, you guys. This is a polka dot skirt, you guys. I'm just gonna put this on to match it together. I think it's gonna look great. Actually not bad, it's quite trendy. I'll show you guys how it looks from here. Last but not least, let's get this one changed. Okay, so this one here, you guys, I bought like a hand gloves. It's actually a what is it called, like a mesh hand gloves. It looks very, how do you say, like very classic when you actually wear dress on. So I just bought it. There's no purpose, but I just bought it as it is. I have not tried Shein's belt before, so I'm pretty excited for this one. I hope it will last. It has a little look of sea here. So this concludes, you guys. This is my last outfit, and I really love this. So there is a couple of outfits that I dislike, but there are some that I absolutely love it. So I know what my style is. Like, I love this kind of like really comfy, fluffy kind of thing. Like, I look like a butterfly right now, but yeah, it is what it is, you guys. This concludes to the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this little mini version of my Shein haul. Like I said, some things are good, some things are bad. Maybe I'm going to return a couple of stuff, I don't know, but yes, this one I'm definitely keeping. Thank you for joining me up until the end of my video. If you do, please like, subscribe to my channel, and I'm going to see you in my next one. Bye.